Good evening, everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the topics medicine and also about combustion. The page number what we are going to cover is page number 71, 72. So first thing, what is this medicine? Medicine means we know that what are the purpose we will be taking this medicine. Usually, whenever we are not feeling well, we will take medicines. Either the medicines it may be taken in different forms, which is in the form of oral use, external use, and also in the form of injections. So mostly in these three ways we will take in medicines. So medicines means usually what is this medicines? The medicines it is just given to cure a disease. Okay, for curing a disease we are just taking this medicines in the form of oral use. Means what is that oral use? Normally in the form of tablets. Okay, in such a way, in the form of tablets what we are taking, no, that is called as oral use. And then external use means it is nothing but external that oilments or any other things. Okay, in such a way we are just for that outside wounds of the body we are just giving, no, that is called as external use. That oilments also, when we are just applying on that outer wounds, what it happens, if it means outer wounds means on the skin. Okay, mostly in the skin layer, if we are just getting any wound means, for that purpose what we will use this external medicines that is applied on the skin to cure that disease and also to kill that microorganisms whatever it is found outside. Okay, for that purpose we will use this medicine in external use. And then injections, so this we know very well, mostly injections it can be directly given or also it can be used through the drugs. Okay, when we are just giving that drugs, what it happens, so when we are giving that glucose or anything, okay, the trips whenever we are just getting on, in that itself the injections can be injected, and then through that also it can be inserted into our body, or else the injections directly it will be given to our body, to which based on the disease. Okay, if a disease it is based on the disease, in different ways we are using the injections. Some it can be given directly, or some it can be just given through that drugs whatever we are taking. Okay, so this is the use of this injections. So medicines normally we are taking in three ways. One is oral use, external use, and also in the form of injection. So in these three ways we are just taking in medicines. And the next one, it is about combustion. So what is mean by this combustion? What is this combustion? Combustion, it is nothing but, normally we will call this combustion as burning process. The burning process it is called as combustion. It means burning means usually how that burning it takes place means, burning it takes place in the, while that coal it is burning, or even in the flame of some candles. Okay, even some candles, or even by using that fuel, whenever it is the burning process it takes place, that it is called as, that reaction it is called as combustion. Okay, combustion it is nothing but burning. Simply we can tell it as burning process, which can be taken in the presence of fuel, or even in that maybe some other chemicals, or even in the presence of coal. So in such a way, by using these different things, the combustion it takes place. And also if we take, if in reaction, okay, while that burning reaction it takes place in the presence of oxygen means, okay, because mostly for burning if it want to takes place means, oxygen it is very much important, because only in the presence of oxygen that burning process it will be taking place. So if a reaction it is just taking place in the presence of this oxygen means, that is called as oxidation reaction. Okay, only in the presence of this oxygen, this oxidation reaction it takes place. Or else if it is not means, that is called as reduction reaction. Okay, if in the absence of oxygen if it is taking place means, that is not called as oxidation, it is called as reduction reaction. So this is what the process, what it is taking place based on the presence of oxygen or in the absence of oxygen. Okay, based on that we can just divide into two. One is oxidation and another one it is reduction reaction. And then mostly if we see that combustion reaction, how would it takes place means, it is commonly it will be exothermic in nature. What is mean by this exothermic means, it is nothing but it will be producing heat. Okay, the heat it will be just produced, that it is called as exothermic reaction. So the combustion reaction, usually I said that combustion reaction means it is nothing but the burning process. So the burning process we are telling it as combustion reaction. So usually when the burning it takes place, what it happens, the heat it will be produced. Okay, so that process, when that combustion reaction it takes place, and that term it is just producing that heat, no, so it is called as exothermic in nature. Okay, so mostly that combustion reactions, whatever it is taking place, it will be exothermic in nature, because during burning that heat it is produced. So today whatever we have discussed is about medicines. It is just usually we are using it in three ways, and also about the combustion. What is meant by this combustion? That burning process, it is called as combustion, and also in the presence of oxygen, if that reaction it takes place, means that is called as oxidation reaction. Okay.